What is Near Protocol? What is USN? Will Near spike like Terra Luna? Near Protocol is another smart contract-enabled blockchain which even in this crappy market has surged almost 40% and is expected to more as there are a lot more things coming ahead, especially the launch of their stablecoin known as USN. But before we get in, I would like to welcome you guys back in another video of our YouTube channel Tech HUB, where you will be always getting your daily dose of crypto news and entertainment. And it is also important to note that I am not a financial advisor and everything in this video is not financial advice. So let's begin the video without any further delay with obviously the introduction of the Near coin, which recently rose to be one of the top 20 cryptocurrencies in the world and is still surging in a crashing market. Near Protocol is a Layer 1 blockchain that was built as a community-run cloud computing platform, removing some of the drawbacks that have plagued other blockchains, such as slow transaction speeds, low throughput, and poor compatibility. This creates a perfect environment for dApps and a platform that is both developer and user-pleasant. Near, for example, employs human-readable account names, as opposed to the cryptographic wallet addresses used by ETHEREUM. Near also presents novel scaling methods and has its consensus mechanism known as Doomslug. The Near Collective. The Near Protocol's community is maintaining the basic code and distributing improvements to the ecosystem. Its stated purpose is to create a platform that is secure enough to manage high-value assets such as money or identity while also being performant enough to be helpful to common people. Near Protocol projects include Flux, a protocol that allows developers to design markets based on assets, commodities, and real-world events, and Mintbase, an NFT minting platform. And that was all about the brief intro of Near Coin. Now moving towards what makes Near blockchain unique and different than others. Near's Nightshade technology significantly boosts transaction throughput. Nightshade is a sharding variant in which different sets of validators process transactions in parallel over numerous sharded chains, increasing the blockchain's overall capacity. In contrast to normal sharding, Nightshade shards produce a fraction of the following block, known as chunks. As a result, Near Protocol can process up to 100,000 transactions per second and achieve near instant transaction finality thanks to a 1-second block cadence, all while lowering transaction fees to a bare minimum. Near fixes this issue both by splitting the network and removing nodes capacity limitations on the network to allow for more scalability. Additionally, most other sharding techniques involve the use of complex node hardware. Near strategizes its sharding in a way that keeps its nodes simple, light, and efficient for cloud hosting. This sharding system ensures scalability, and by using a horizontal approach, specifically through its recent Doomslug consensus mechanism, the network can run an unlimited number of shards in parallel, making Near a compelling and versatile solution for developing dApps. A network of assigned validator nodes maintains each shard, and this division of labor allows for a more dynamic distribution of computational tasks. This raises the network's capacity to nearly 100,000 transactions per second. Moreover, Near aims to offer much cheaper transaction fees than ETHEREUM. However, scalability and cost are not Near's only areas of focus. The collective has also devoted attention to the question of accessibility. Blockchain is still a developing technology in a growing industry, so projects can be complicated for end users to use or understand. This weighs heavily on developers too, causing some dApps to struggle to gain adoption despite being entirely functional. The urgent need for scalability can also push developers to create their blockchain platforms, which is an arduous task and isn't very economical, akin to building an on-premise server farm just to launch a website. Just as the advent of Amazon's AWS and Microsoft's Azure platform provides the infrastructure for new online services, Near hopes to provide developers with a common framework for building and maintaining decentralized applications with more ease. And now is the time to discuss Near's own native stablecoin known as USN and what promising future it will bring for the Near Protocol and Near Coin. According to two sources acquainted with the matter, Near Protocol is launching its own stablecoin dubbed USN. According to one insider, the stablecoin is on its way, but no timetable has been provided internally as of yet. The stablecoin rumor initially appeared when Zoran Cole, founder of Zorex Capital, said in a Substack article that Near Protocol was developing a stablecoin with a 20% dividend. Sleuths on Twitter also discovered the stablecoin on a testnet version of Ref Finance, the second largest decentralized exchange on Near. The user interface on Ref Finance's testnet website displays USN among other prominent stablecoins such as UST, and DAI under the StableSwap section. This meant that the stablecoin was being tested, although it did not necessarily represent the official team. We have not been able to confirm whether the stablecoin will deliver as large dividends as Cole promised, putting it on par with Terra USD. Near Protocol is a scalable blockchain that has raised $350 million in an investment round led by Tiger Global, with Republic Capital, FTX Ventures, Dragonfly Capital, and others participating. And if it is what it looks like if USN have the same functionality like the USD of Terra, then you can also expect the Near Protocol at least climbing $50 very soon. So that's the end of the video, but still, if you have any questions about Near, so I always say do mention it below in the comment box, and also let us know how much do you think Near will be worth at the end of year 2022. Now, if you have found the content helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and do subscribe to our channel for weekly content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video of Tech HUB. Until then, goodbye.